Okay, now we can move to our game class. This class orchestrates the game. It creates a new board and two players and controls the flow of the game in the play method. So in our Python project, I'm going to create a new Python file and name it game. At first, I'm going to import two classes that we have just created from player, import player, from board, import board. Now let's create our new class, game. The game class controls the overall game flow, including the game loop and players turns. Okay, at first I'm going to create int method. And in this method we are going to initialize a new game with fresh board and two players, X and O. Self board equals board self players, and I'm going to use list player X player O self current player equals 0.